Hi everybody, Josh May from Riccar. We're talking today about the two of our popular vacuums in the Riccar lineup, the Riccar Spirit and the Riccar Spirit Plus. And what's the difference? So the Riccar Spirit comes with a plastic wand. Okay, so this wand is plastic. It is a telescoping plastic wand. The Spirit Plus comes with a metal wand. Okay, it is also telescoping. It also includes a floor tool for cleaning your hard floors, which is included in the machine, in the box with this machine. Okay, so you do get the bare floor tool. In addition to that, you get headlights. Okay, this has LED headlights. You'll notice here on the front, there's no lights on this machine. So when we turn it on, you'll see the lights light up. Again, LED lights. So the difference between the Spirit and the Spirit Plus, the metal wand, the floor tool, and the headlights are included in the Spirit Plus.